Want to learn how to make logo designs like these using Midjourney? If so, you came to the right place. I've got an awesome technique to share with you. Let's get started. Head over to Midjourney and type in /imagine to start the prompt. Next, we're going to click on the little smiley face down in the bottom right corner. Yes, that's right, folks. We're going to be using an emoji. Pick one, anyone. I'm going to choose the tooth. Type in a plus sign and then whatever letter represents your business, followed by the words logo design. Press enter to get that going, and in the meantime, let's go ahead and do one more. You can pick any emoji you'd like, and you can definitely have some fun playing around with this because the results you get can be a bit surprising. Let's try the sewing needle plus the letter S. And I'll also do the swimsuit with the letter S. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, do me a favor and hit the like button. See what I mean by surprising? These are the logo designs from the tooth emoji. I mean, we have a devil-looking character, a wolf, and a couple of deer. Okay, maybe the deer came from the letter D, but how do you explain these other two? I had a dental office in mind when I selected the tooth. I'm not sure any of these would work, but either way, they still are pretty cool. Here are the ones we created using the sewing needle, and they look great. I really like the second one and the fourth one. Wow, our swimsuit logos are fantastic. I think these are my favorites. They look so freaking good. What do you guys think about these? Tell me your thoughts down in the comments, guys. Let's take a closer look at this one. Open in browser, and then if you click again, you can see how good the quality truly is. Now, I want to be sure to mention, I am using version 5 and I have the style set to very high. All right, now it's time to show you how you can use ChatGPT to speed this process way up. In the prompt, I gave 2 examples and asked it to give me 10 back. And voila! That ought to take care of any writer's block. Well, that's it. I feel confident you guys can take it from here. Thanks again for tuning in, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the slides.
A sneak peek.